Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take off a Toyota Camry door panel. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool and a screwdriver. Begin by locating and removing any visible screws, which are often concealed behind small covers. Next, gently pry up the window switch panel to reveal more fasteners. This careful approach ensures you don't damage any components during the initial steps. With the initial screws and switch panel removed, use your trim tool to carefully pry around the edges of the door panel. Work slowly to release the clips holding it in place. Once the clips are free, gently pull the panel away from the door frame. Remember to disconnect all electrical connectors for the window switch, door lock, and speaker before fully removing the panel. Before setting the panel aside, you'll need to detach the door handle cable and the lock rod. These are usually simple to unclip. Take a moment to inspect all the plastic clips on the panel. If any are broken, replace them now to ensure a snug fit upon reassembly. Cleaning the door frame and the panel's interior is also a good practice. To reinstall, first align the top edge of the panel with the window channel and push it down firmly. Then, reconnect all electrical connectors and reattach the door handle cable and lock rod. Make sure everything clicks securely into place. For more great resources and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below. Finally, reinsert all screws and snap the trim pieces back into their original positions to complete the job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.